Happy week 3. Today I'm going to go over just a short video of what is coming in week 3. So the discussion is going to be basically be asking you a reflection of what you find most challenging. So make sure you answer the 4 questions. One thing I will comment on that is think about the things that we have learned as far as the coding conventions, even how to find a main term versus a subterm. Think about this week what you learned in the lecture about parasitic diseases, neoplasms, and diseases of the blood and blood-forming organs. So anything that you have learned thus far, focus on that in your discussion. There's going to be 3 different, what I call quizzes this week. It's the review, the quiz, and the chapter review. The one feedback I want to give you guys on that, when you start a particular quiz, if you have a question, you don't have to finish the quiz at that moment. So I try to get back with emails at least within 24 hours. So if you have a question about something on there, just let me know. Make sure if it's asking you to put in a code or if it's providing a scenario that you use the correct you use the period in the correct location, otherwise it will count it wrong. So if you have a question in regards to that, any of these, you can stop it and then send me an email or post on Ask Your Instructor, whatever it may be. And then the check-in for this week, it's really just a good time for you to share the feedback that you want to give me about how you're feeling about the course, and what expectations you have from me. As far as how you're feeling about it, one thing I want to ask so that I know where to focus and tailor to your individual needs is where are you struggling with? Are you still struggling with trying to find where do I find this guideline, or how do I know what to pick? What word do I use out of a scenario to know to use that as my main term? So try to be specific on this, not even so much about the grading, but just I want to know where you're struggling and where I can help you. Again, we will continue with the live sessions this week. Thank you for those that participated last week. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great week.